Hi my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing great. Why do I look so excited, right? Early in the morning and in this video, why am I so excited? I have something to share with you all, and before that we get going, if you are watching this video right now, on your right hand side or left hand side there is a word called subscribe. Okay, if you see that word in red, this means you haven't subscribed my channel. You need to press that button right now. All right, so just check it out and see if you have subscribed or if you haven't subscribed. And if you have subscribed, there is a bell icon next to it. You need to press that button to get going with this video. Okay, I'm gonna take a break for 2 seconds. Okay, so 2 seconds break done. I hope now you have subscribed and you've pressed the bell icon, because you definitely need to do it if I get going with the video. Alright, so what's the reason behind my excitement today, and why am I so chirpy early in the morning when I'm buried with work? Okay, so this video is a gratitude video, a thank you video, and a giveaway video, right? Because I've been mentioning I'm gonna do a giveaway, I was waiting for something and it finally happened, and I have got my first check from YouTube. Yeah, I am super excited. I got my first check from YouTube after 5 years of hard work. Yes. And actually I would have got it a long time back, but I messed up a couple of things over the years, all right, without even thinking what I was doing or what was my goal in the beginning. And I did not fill out a lot of details, okay, when YouTube had asked me to monetize my channel a couple of years back, and then I moved from Indonesia to US, so I didn't knew that there are changes and you have to update, you have to like take out the cash that you've earned for 3 years. So for me, I thought I'm just building up that cash. Whenever I would need, I'll just take it out. But however, that never happened, so I had to get rid of all that money that I had earned for years, and I just created a fresh account all over again. So just imagine all the work, all those views, and all that money that I was earning was like... So, but don't worry, I am not sad at all, because whatever it is, I started with something, and I'm extremely thankful to each one of you. Because of you guys being constantly out there, writing to me, emailing me, messaging me on Facebook, on Instagram, on my email, on my phone numbers, like everywhere I see you guys leaving your comments, all right, connecting with me and Vivan, and I see your kids growing. I see how my channel has grown with you. So thank you, a big thank you to each one of you. I have to announce the giveaway, all right, and before I announce that, I'm just gonna tell you that you really won this, all right, because if somebody would have been giving this to me, I would definitely like fight for it. Okay, so the check that I got, I want to put that money back into YouTube, all right, because I got it because of you guys. So one portion is going to you. The rest of the amount I am putting in charity and for Vivan Books, and a little amount, very little teeny mini amount, I've kept it for myself, so that I can buy a couple of things for the channel or for my YouTube, and I can just put the money back into YouTube, all right. So I'm gonna be giving cash worth $150 to you guys out there. There'll be 3 winners. So $150 would be around 11,200 Indian rupees, all right. All you need to do is you need a bank account. You should be 18 years and above, or a PayPal account, a valid one where I can transfer the money. And there'll be 3 winners. The first winner will be getting $100, the second winner will be getting $25, and the third winner will be getting $25. Like, it's gonna be all cash, and I am not giving this cash for you to use it on you. I'm giving this cash for you to use it on your kids, all right. A lot of time parents are always trying to squeeze in money and try and find to buy good stuff for the kids, but it's always like one or the other issue, right? You always have so many other things to do. So use this cash for your kids, buy them what they need, what you have been planning, and I think this cash would help you. So you definitely want to use that. The rules are very simple. There's a link below, and you have to press that, and there are a couple of things that you need to do. But just an added thing, if you can share the videos that I do, all right, you can pick up any video, including the giveaway video or another video, Alright, I'm gonna be putting a link of the video that you can share on WhatsApp and Facebook along. And then you can send screenshots and send it across to me on my email. Along with that, if you could invite your friends by sharing my channel, if they can subscribe. If you have more than 5 subscribers, if you've added to the channel, you can write to me directly, and I'm going to be putting in 5 more entries for you. So every time you take another step, you get another entry. So there, when you are going onto the link, you will find my Instagram channel. You like it, you get 10 or 11 entries. So straight away you get 11 entries as compared to anybody else. Then I have Vivant's account. There is a post that is there. You have to like the post and you have to go like his page. All right. He really needs your blessing. He's doing amazing. He's drawing. He wants to create more. He wants to share his stuff. So definitely go on and like his page. All right. Then I have my Facebook page, which gives you more credit, and then I have my YouTube page. So you need to subscribe and like all these things. And along with that, if you share my video on Facebook and WhatsApp, please email it to me by taking screenshots so that I can give you more entries on the blog. All right. And the giveaway starts from today and it ends on 17th of August. So the winners would be announced on 17th August video. So you have till 16th August midnight to submit and do everything. But remember, the more entries you do, the more chances of you winning the big cash prize. All right, so I think you all need the cash prize. Don't forget, it's $150. You would definitely need it. I can't even imagine. I'm thinking if somebody's giving it to me, what all will I plan for Vivant? Will I get books? Will I get science kits? Will I get his cool stuff? Will I get his clothes? No clothes. Only educational stuff, guys. Only educational stuff. You have to invest in your children by using this money. So get your friends on. Try and share as more as possible. Get subscribers for me by sharing my amazing content with your family, with your friends. And don't forget to go on the link below which says by Gleam and it starts at home. You need to go and fill in your entries. All right. And if you have any questions, queries about this, just shoot an email to me or write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. You might be seeing my small snippets or small videos sharing all these amazing emails that you guys write to me, all the comments that you share with me, all the pictures of your kids doing the activities with me. I would be putting it on all the social media platforms, and I hope we keep building this. Thank you for believing in me, each one of you, and being super amazing and super kind. I can't wait to get this giveaway going. A super bumper cash prize for everyone, whoever, wherever you are, doesn't matter the place. I will make sure that the money reaches to you till the time you have either a bank account or a PayPal account. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. I hope you all have a great week. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video.